Hi, I'm Dustin Boyette, Product Manager for EnerSys Cable Broadband Inside Plant. And I'm excited to talk to you today about remote monitoring, the value of remote monitoring, and how it can help you reduce costs and improve safety. Remote monitoring is the ability to gather quantitative and status information about a power system from somewhere away from that power system, conceivably thousands of miles away. This is important because traditional telecom power systems had very little visibility to power system status. You might get a red light at the top of the bay, you might get a contact closure, but by then there's already some issue that you have to respond to. You already have a problem. If you had remote visibility, you could potentially ward off these problems before they are actual problems that you have to react to. For example, an AB voltage imbalance or a circuit that's nearing overload. These are all things that you can readily see remotely if you have good power system visibility. Not having visibility of power system problems before they crop up, overloads, imbalances, circuits that have actually failed. Having the ability to see these days, weeks, or months ahead of time can save considerable costs and keep emergency truck rolls and personnel from having to be there in the middle of the night when it's not as safe to do the maintenance work. MSOs are constantly trying to expand their services, provide better service and faster service to their customers. And in order to do that, they need to do that with existing space and without disrupting existing services. Taking a manual audit of power infrastructure is costly and the data is stale very, very quickly. So the ability to remotely see what kind of power availability you have is a great benefit for planning in the future. We have a wide range of products, all that have remote monitoring and network capabilities. So our Cortex HP has a rich set of local monitoring and remote monitoring features, but even our BDFBs and GMT fuse panels and breaker panels offer remote monitoring capabilities. Even facility critical items that aren't often thought of, like surge protective devices, are available with remote monitoring capabilities. All of our products are easily configured via web interface, and we designed the whole range of products so we know how to integrate a solution that uses all of these together. For customers who want to learn more, we have training available at learnupon.alpha.com, and you can visit us on the web at www.alpha.com/broadband. You can get email updates by clicking at the upper right of the web page, and follow us on LinkedIn.